I can't believe the guy just did that. I just asked for the receipt and the guy just pretty much told me to fuck off. Like, what the fuck was that about? Sheesh. Like, right after I asked for the receipt, he goes and tells me have a good day, you know, have a good one. Like, what the fuck? I was messed up. I quickly asked for the receipt. I hate when people don't listen. Ugh. Yeah. I can't believe he fucking did that. I'm so mad.
Dream crusher, bleed me dry like a damn vampire. You said it was true love, but wouldn't that be hard? You can't love anyone, 'cause practically you got a heart. I tried to help you out, now I know that I can't. 'Cause everything's the kind of thing I'll never bleeding me dry like a damn vampire.
Star 113 with your chance to see Bruno Mars in Vegas.
Bruno's at the Park MGM, and we want you to go.
Enter to win now with 1013.com.
You and your bestie will score airfare, hotel, and tickets to see Bruno. He's just announced new shows this December 22nd, 23rd, 28th, 30th, and New Year's
Now,
Eve
one
at
gas
Dolby Live
station
at
I like
Park
going
MGM.
to.
Get your tickets now at Ticketmaster.com.
It's Bruno Mars in Las Vegas.
Enter to win now at 1013.com.
If you're hiring, it can feel like you're trying to find a needle in a haystack. You can hope the right person comes along, or you can just use ZipRecruiter. And now you can try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. In fact, ZipRecruiter has helped a lot of business owners find their needle in a haystack, like Marco, president of operations at Telly Tires and Auto Centers. Because Telly did a lot in the last few years, Marco needed to hire everyone from a receptionist to a store manager to a head mechanic.
ZipRecruiter helps me find all the right people, even the most difficult jobs to fill. ZipRecruiter helps me keep my business running.
Take it from Marco and millions of other businesses who've used ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter can help you find the needle in the haystack.
Citywide, 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/RADIO. ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire.
Imagine it's the last ride, but your symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome with constipation, or IBS-C, are taking you for a ride. What should you do? Keep managing your constipation with belly pain the same old way? Or try getting ahead of your symptoms by talking to your doctor about treating it with linaclotide. Linzess is a prescription medicine that treats IBS-C in adults. It's not a laxative. It's a once daily pill that helps you get ahead of your symptoms. It's proven to help you have more frequent and complete bowel movements and helps relieve overall abdominal symptoms, belly pain, discomfort, and bloating. These symptoms were studied in combination, not individually.
Do not give Linzess to children less than 2. It may harm them. Do not take Linzess if you have a bowel blockage. Get immediate help if you develop unusual or severe stomach pain, especially with bloody or black stools. The most common side effect is diarrhea, sometimes severe.
Yeah, it's a red light. Dumb
Right away.
snob.
Other side effects include gas, stomach area pain.
Trying to run the red light.
What could relief from IBS-C mean for you?
That's a
Talk to
woman
your doctor and
driving,
say
too.
yes to Linzess. Learn
Horrible
more at
drivers.
linzess.com or call 1-800-LINZESS.
Everyone's talking about how much gas is, but I never pay full price. I just use the free Upside app, and I get cash back for every gallon of gas I buy. I earn back up to 25 cents a gallon every time I buy gas. What? That sounds like it could really add up. Sure does. I've made over $300 already.
free Upside app and use promo code IHEART2 for a 25 cents per gallon bonus on your first tank. You can cash out at any time right to your bank account, to PayPal, or an e-gift card. Cashback is not available on gas in New Jersey and Wisconsin. Big bones, big dinosaur bones, reserved from 100 million years ago.
Expect big things and big bones at the California Academy of Sciences.
The skull is connected to 19. Big bones counterbalanced by 82 interlocking tank bones.
See the world's largest dinosaur with giant fossils, massive models, and more.
You know they had 6 foot beaver bones. Come see huge sauropod bones.
Now open. Buy ahead and save at calacademy.org.
Are you a business owner, CEO, or responsible for marketing? If you are, iHeartMedia can help you reach your goals and find new customers. We reach more consumers in your target area than anyone else. And we can give you access to those potential customers more cost-effectively across radio, digital, podcasting, and social. We'd love to show you how iHeartMedia can work for you. From your cell, dial pound 250 and say keyword great results. That's pound 250 and say great results.
There's a new score in store at Moore. Our buyers got amazing deals on trending pants like designer denim, cargos, wide leg, and more, starting at just $19.99. With incredible deals always arriving in store, come see what's new. Marshalls, get the good stuff. Prices are representative. Actual prices as marked or online.
Hey, I'll take some. Great. And some Frank's Red Hot. Oh, nah, I'm good. Oh, you're just gonna eat these dry, plain, boring nachos with no Franks. Seriously? Frank, get up. Frank, get up. Come on, lady. Frank, get up. Frank, get up. Frank, get up. Yeah. Hey, this guy finally gets it. Hey, look, we're on the Jumbotron.
It's the perfect blend of flavor and heat. Frank's Red Hot. High potential.
Gillette Intimate gives guys a gentle and easy shave under. And around there, and even under there.
Don't treat your groin like junk. Respect it with Gillette Intimate, the best a man can get. Buy now at a retailer near you.
The Murder Years is the scripted podcast that takes you on a gruesome trip back to the 80s. For Clarkston High's class of 82, school wasn't just hell, it was murder. Now, 40 years later, the former students revisit their past for answers.
I mean, it was like how many more of us were going to die? And who would be next?
Listen to the Murder Years on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Now through September 6th.
That was the stop.
The magic of an Air False rendezvous. It's time to book your rendezvous with daily flights from San Francisco starting at $959 round trip, taxes included. And with Air France, enjoy a glass of champagne in all cabins. Elegance is a journey. Air France. Round trip purchase required. Advertised fare not available on all flights. Additional restrictions apply. See terms and conditions at airfrance.us.
If you're a Gabby's Dollhouse superfan ready for a cat-tastic adventure, then we invite you to join DreamWorks Animation for the Gabby on the Go tour. Come pick up your child's very own official passport, travel through 5 different stops of fun, hands-on activities, and get a photo with Gabby. Find it all this Wednesday, September 6th at Walmart in Union City, 3600 Dyer Street, and September 9th and 10th at the Mountain View Art and Wine Festival. Visit Gabby'sDollhouse.com/GabbyOnTheGo for more info. That's Gabby'sDollhouse.com/GabbyOnTheGo.
The Talkback Mic is on the free iHeartRadio app.
Hey, Bay Area, it's Corey from Marcus and Corey. Did you know you can record and send a message to any of the hosts on Star? Just open up the free iHeartRadio app, stream Star, and then look for the little red microphone next to the play button. Press it, record your message, and hit send.
I just wanted to say, Marcus and Corey, you two are just stellar together.
The Talkback Mic. Try it today on the free iHeartRadio app. It's another way to keep you connected with the Bay's Star 1013.
I found a love.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl. Beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give
Does it again. Waves crashes again. tired of it.
Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all my own, and in your eyes, you're all mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday we'll share our home. I found love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, you'll be my man. And I see my future in your eyes. Well, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, while listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful.